I'm eating breakfast, so here we go. This is Wiz Labs for Google Cloud Associate Cloud Engineer Practice Test. I have no idea what this one is. So it's a migration. Can't highlight anything here. I don't know what DB2. Database 2. DB2. IBM DB2. Family of data management practice. No idea. Try this. How do you even mark that? Just have to have a virtual machine for both of them. Just mark it wrong. It's supposed to be virtual machine. It's either stack driver or flow. We'll go with stack driver. Oh, mark for review. I can do that. Mark for review. Oh, what am I doing here? just App Engine. PubSub? Review. PubSub. What is ERP? ERP. Binary logging? Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, what is binary logging?
According to MySQL, Developer Zone, the binary log is a set of log files that contain information about data modifications made to a MySQL server instance.
Binary log is a set of log files that contain information about data modification made.
this. Binary logging. So it's something specifically for MySQL. Bin log. Binary log. Oh, bin log. I've heard of that. There's a whole bunch of stuff up here. What happened? The binary log contains events that describe database changes. Cool. Okay. A new client has approached a company who wants a serverless application running on Google Cloud. Google Cloud storage, Kubernetes, serverless. I would use Kubernetes and storage. PubSub. What do you want? App Engine? PubSub. Storage. You wouldn't use function. Why would you use function? Cloud function? Storage for holding your website? Different modules of application. But that's not for hosting a website. That would. I'll just say market review. $10 TB of customer data in BigQuery. Okay, the CTO of the company has decided to use this data and build some analytics on top of data which they have. At the end of the first month, there was a huge spike in the bill due to use of BigQuery, and CFO was not happy. Got the CTO and the CFO and the CEO. Oh, the different ways of select all. Yeah, because that'll fix everything. That's obviously not the answer. I'm either thinking composite keys or group by. I don't know. What? No way. limiting the number of columns required. Once you'll be able to reduce the amount of data processed. What? Oh, I didn't read it right. Instead of select all, query only required. Yes. I thought they said, like, select. Oh man, I need to wake up. Hey, JMO. Yeah, testing. Got a test coming up. A lot of fun. Sorry, I didn't notice you were there. I wish it, like, pings me when I get, like, a message. But I guess if there's a lot of messages, which is ping, 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 ping. You created a nearline bucket in storage using the default parameters. I'm sort of waking up. After an hour, you realize the requirement was created a nearline bucket. In this location, how would you correct the change? Default parameter. You can't edit the button. That's impossible. You can't change the location. Oh, that's funny. They said, no, put it in Asia. Yes. Modify the bucket and change its storage class. Delete the bucket, create a new bucket as per the requirement. D. Yeah, I mean, can't say can't edit it, we're done. You're just gonna delete it and recreate it. Alright. Yeah, just skip 2. Alright. You created a SQL instance, an automated backup switched on. After a few weeks, your manager asked you to restore a 12 days older snapshot. JMO probably left. Get probably boring. You created a cloud SQL instance with automated backup switched on. After a few weeks, your manager asked you to restore the snapshot. While restoring, you notice there are only 7 automated backups available. $12-day-old snapshot. Few weeks. This would be like 7 times 3 or 4. Is that very specific? Probably only stores 7. Let's see. Note A. You forgot to change the default retention time period from 7 days. I guess this must be the previous 7 days. To max of 365 days. So, this is probably the cheapest default. Probably just default. But, you know, the more days you put in, market for review, the more expensive it's going to get. Client of yours wants to migrate its on-premise, blah, blah, blah. How do you migrate SQL to cloud? Anthos. Pretty sure it's Anthos. No. Database migration service. Anthos is used to migrate Kubernetes. Oh, okay. Database migration service. Market review. Starting to work on a client's project who is looking for a database service within Google Cloud, which is horizontally scalable, supports gigabyte size or relational data, and even supports ACID for reliable storage of data. Never heard of that. Oh. Acid. Reliable. Data. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Consistency, isolation, durability. Weird. Horizontally scalable. I'm thinking cloud spanner. Yes. Horizontally scalable. It's global. Cool, cool. Got it. One of your team member was conducting an experiment with Kubernetes nodes. He tainted 2 of 6 nodes before leaving of the day. He tainted. It sucks. I don't think I need to include tainted. How about just get nodes? Yeah. Just get nodes. Cube control get nodes. Alright, your program manager wants you to set up a hybrid network between your Google Cloud and on-premise infrastructure that allows high bandwidth, low latency connection between both the networks. As a senior cloud manager, which one of the following service will you select? Hybrid network. Please select. Your program manager wants you to set up a hybrid network. gotta be interconnect. Hybrid Google Cloud and on-premise allows high bandwidth, low latency. Both networks. Senior Cloud. Okay. It's gotta be interconnect. Interconnect. Let's go. Yes. Lets you establish high bandwidth, low latency connections between your cloud and on-premise. Okay, got it. Shared VPC lets you share subnets with other projects. Cloud Router enables you to dynamically exchange routes between your VPC and on-premise. Border Gateway Protocol. Virtual Private Network lets you securely connect your compute engine resources to your own private network. Right. Yeah, interconnect. Your cloud function is using Python modules to connect to your SQL Postgres. How do you bundle your cloud function to add the dependencies? How do you bundle? Upload the function and import the dependencies. Zip the function. Put the function. Zip them together. Upload the code through Google Cloud Console. Zip them. I don't understand what that means. Zip them? Cloud function dependencies could be resolved by using the pip package manager requirements text file. Or packaging local dependencies alongside your function. What? Zip function and dependency. What is that? Is it just Python? Folder. Just pairing things up. Zip them together. Zip in cloud function. Google Cloud function. You zip things in here. Compressed file. That didn't seem right. I don't think that's going to be on the test. I mean, sure. Zip them. I'm going to come back for a review. Your service will help you create health checks. Oh my god, companies have to migrate a few of its server. Huh. That's what was breaking my brain. A few of its server. From on-premise to cloud, and you have been asked to lead this task. You migrate, okay, cloud. On-premise to cloud, all the instances have been migrated, but you're still left with creating health checks for all instances. Health checks. Yay. Next. Oh, wait, what am I doing here? You've been tasked with developing an application and later hosting it on Google Cloud using a service whose infrastructure scales automatically and is completely managed by Google, along with support of Golang and events. Yeah, I think it's going to be flexible. I think Golang is only inflexible. Scales automatically. App Engine Standard. In GCP, what languages are okay for App Engine Standard? Oh, it does do Go. Okay. That would have been wrong. It's standard. Duh. Functions. What? Developing an application. Why would you put an application on functions? Yes, it's serverless. But you don't have like a long application on functions. I get thumbs down for this. When they say application, do they just mean like any code? Application, I'm thinking like web app or something. Okay, whatever. Try to couple application. Just some code on VM. Storing each and every data on disks and auto scaling is not possible. Okay. I guess sales approaching. We need some more servers, implement a disk space to cater the demand, but suddenly the sale, you notice, it's about to hit 90% usage, and they ask you to add 200 gigabytes immediately. While upgrading the disk, you accidentally increase the size to 2,000 gigabytes instead of 200. Yeah, that's really easy to know. What kind of mistake is that? I probably need to stop the VM. You can only upgrade. Alright. Cannot downgrade. There are 15 VMs in your company's Google Cloud account which have public IP addresses that are ephemeral. Your manager asks you to assign static public IP to each instance. During the process, you were able to assign IPs to only 5 of the VMs and were receiving error of all other instances. What can be the reason? You have reached the hard limit of using static IP addresses. Alright, brain work again. Maybe I need to do some exercise, get my brain moving.
in it. With that workout stream, yeah. I should do that on a separate. Damo, you're still there. That's awesome. I didn't know you were still there. Workout stream.
Yeah, I should like do something like that.
And I got some coffee.
So looks like you get shot or something. All right. Brain should work a little better now. Exercise your brain. 15 VMs in your companies. You're going to learn about Google Cloud. I didn't even bring it up. Let me bring it over here. This is Google Cloud. The Cloud. Reconnect. Delete the other one. Pop this out. I don't want that ever. Read me, cat. Read me. Welcome to Cloud Shell. I love this stuff. So G Cloud. It did work. Alright, get out of that. G Cloud compute instances list. Authorize. If you want to hop in a call so you can explain the problem to someone else, it helps. Yeah, sure. I'll just go into Tavern. Okay, that's it on. Gotta get myself off mute. I'm in the tavern. Hey, Demo.
Hello?
Hey, how you doing, man?
I can't. Oh, probably because I have. Hello?
Hello, hello. Testing.
Hey, sorry, I had Discord muted because I hate just hearing the constant do. Yeah, it's like the constant
Hold on,
pings
let's
from
up here. Heck?
servers that I'm not part of. It's really weird.
Oh God, why is this so tangled up? Hold on, I'll be right back. This is
Yep.
tangled. I don't know why I got that tangled. It's probably every time I picked up and put it down, it's the same order.
I don't know. I'm just watching you struggle with the cloud test.
Oh yeah. And this is the associate. This is like basically they call it like the 6-month test. A lot of people on my team took the professional one. It's like the 1 year test, 1 year of experience. Yeah. It's
You've gotten let's see, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15 right.
yeah. I just said mark
9
review.
wrong.
Yeah. I would not pass this test. Some of these things are weird though.
I saw that one question where it's like, you accidentally add 2,000 gigabytes of RAM, and you're like, oh yeah, because that's an easy thing to do.
Whoever puts 2,000 gigabytes of anything.
Like, who the hell screws that up? Come on now.
And your manager is yelling at you. You're about to get
Yeah.
fired.
I mean, I would hope so.
A friend of mine last night said, I have 200 terabytes of something. I was like, that's a lot of terabytes. And he was like, oh, sorry, I meant 2. And I was like, yeah, that's what I thought. 2 is normal. I've got 2.
I used to have a coworker at Little Caesars who knew nothing about computers. And so when me and a different coworker were talking about computers, and my friend was saying he had like 2 terabytes of storage, this guy that wanted to butt in said, 2 terabytes? You can't even fit one game on that. And so we all just had a good laugh.
What? What did he think it was? Like a megabyte or something?
He was computer illiterate. I guess he just wanted to join in on the conversation.
But why?
but there's so many things wrong with that conversation. First of all, I would tell him, don't be negative if you don't understand it. Just ask questions.
Well,
Right.
he was not our favorite coworker. He ended up quitting later on.
Yeah, I mean,
Or not fired.
yeah, I think with that kind of mindset, you'll struggle through many things in life, not just.
Well, I think it was more of
Tech.
just he was just trying to get in on the conversation because he knew nothing about computers. My friend was talking about how he recently got like a 2 terabyte like storage upgrade for his Xbox or something, and
Yeah, that's awesome.
this other guy was like, "What? You can't store nothing on that."
That's weird. It's weird.
Anyway, there are
Yeah.
15 VMs in your company's Google Cloud. VM, that's like a
Virtual machine.
No,
Yeah.
virtual machine. Yeah.
So, in Compute Engine, if I go into Compute Engine, this is where like all the computers are.
Hmm.
It has all the virtual machine instances, so it's like I can make any VM. I'll just like name it the JMO instance. It's like I'll make it like your computer. Add a label. Cool. Thing. Whatever this is.
$28 a month.
Yeah. So. Oh yeah, I can't do uppercase. 1, 2, 3, whatever. Yeah, if I make it like smaller, see this is 4 gigabytes of memory. If I did 1 gigabyte, you'll see the drop. Yeah, there it goes. See it dropped?
Yeah.
And I could even make it smaller. This is the second gen. If I did the first gen and make it like micro, $5.
Nice.
So I mean that's really small. But if I did like super powered, let's see, like, oh my gosh, 224 virtual CPUs, 220.
Jesus.
That's
How much
a
is that?
lot. That's super powerful.
Hold on. I want to
45.
Oh my God. Jesus.
That is a lot. Yeah, that
That's
is a
only
lot.
$6 an hour.
Yeah, yeah. But I mean, that's probably like processing something really professional.
Well, I would
can't-
hope though. I would hope that you're not just trying to run GTA faster. Like, come on now.
That would be funny. Yeah,
Oh, sorry. What was that?
you can go into these things later. I mean, kill this one. This one's way too powerful. I'll make a little small one, a micro. This is easy. Small? How much? Oh, wow, it gets like twice as much. That's weird. Man, I slept good last night and had like all these weird dreams. God, I could like make a movie out of what I just saw.
Never sleep good because I always stay up way later than I should.
Yeah, I went to sleep early yesterday. I can allow.
I stayed up late last night because I was putting together this new desk that I bought.
Okay.
So that I could have room to set up a second monitor.
Mm-hmm.
I got a second monitor set up. I got a new desk set up. I feel like I'm balling right now. I don't know.
That's cool.
Although work's been cutting my hours short, so I'm not really balling. I'm just wasting my money.
Yeah. Wait, are you still mining?
No.
Oh, okay.
I couldn't ever get. It was really weird because like I would get the amount to pay out, and then it would say paid out, but it would never show up in my wallet.
What company were you using? Or what system?
The MetaMask.
Hmm.
It was really weird. I don't know what was happening, so I just quit doing it. I've been
Well,
relying on my work
try to
paycheck.
figure out how to get that money. It's good to learn it either way. I need to know
I'm
that
not
too.
worried about it.
Still
My
have my
GPU's not gonna make me more than like $20 a month anyway. I mean,
That's still something. That's
definitely something, but
yeah. All right.
Ethereum's supposed to be switching to that non-mineable stuff here pretty soon as well. So
Yeah.
I don't know when they're
Everybody's going
supposed
to
to do that.
Ravencoin after Ethereum, I think.
Yeah, I think if I want to start mining again, then I'll save up some money and I'll get like 3 GPUs and start doing it like as an actual thing.
Okay.
Right now, it's just 1 GPU. It just doesn't seem worth it.
Yeah, I have 2 on. Actually, my mining system's down right now. I got a
But
new.
you have like a full system. You have like
Separate machine.
nice. And you're mining Ravencoin?
No, I'm not mining anything right now. It's dead. It's cold. It's
Cool.
cold in this room.
I don't
And
know.
this
I
is
just
my
don't have.
hot and sweaty room. Oh well, I'll get back to
In
it.
the past 3 weeks, I've made less than one full paycheck, so I can't really be spending much right now.
Yeah, money is very important.
And I used to use all my money to gamble, but now my gambling website won't let me gamble anymore, and I'm sad.
May I ask why?
Why? What? Why it won't let me, or why I'm sad?
Why it won't let you?
I don't know. Every time I try and place a bet, it just says you're not allowed to do this. Please contact support.
Get out of here. We know you better now. Big Brother's been watching you. I don't know what this one is. I think it's probably remove public IP? No. I know static IP's like pretty expensive, isn't it? For the process you're able to assign IPs. I probably should have done that to your. Whoa, did I lose you? Hello? You back?
Hello?
There's an external IP. I go into it.
Oh, I can't play games anymore because they think I'm playing in a restricted area. That's the whole point of you allowing VPNs. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, VPNs. Yeah.
I just have to create a new account.
So my wife was trying to get on Netflix in Japan using her parents' account, and somehow Netflix has figured out that we're in America. So even if she logs in her parents' account in Japan through a VPN, they show her all the American content. And she's like, I want to watch something in Japanese. It's really annoying.
I'm gonna create a new account, I guess.
Yeah.
You always stream whenever I'm at school, so I can never watch your streams. But luckily today I skipped school, so I can watch your stream.
Oh, yeah. I try to get some study done before work starts. Because it starts
Yeah.
in Texas time. Central time.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop this one. I'm going to kill my other one. And then...
I'm really sad because I decided I wanted to take computer science foundations this semester and not coding because I figured I could take coding
later?
next year.
Okay.
Then our coding teacher quit.
Just like
So
instantly?
now he just decided he had better pay at a different school, so he went to a different school.
Oh, wow.
And so we're not gonna hire another one. So
Oh, no.
so now I can't learn coding.
Oh, no.
You know, makes me.
That is sad.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say you can't learn coding, but you can't learn coding from that person.
I'm probably just not gonna be able to learn. I don't think I can just teach myself coding.
It's hard. It is really, really hard. Because it's hard finding your level. Like, I don't even know how to, like... I've seen some videos, and someone showed me some things where you can, like, make a small runnable code that can affect your computer. That's what I'm really interested in. Like, press a button and it... Well, that's easy. Press and open the application. But I mean, like, do multiple tasks. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna skip on. Your quota's been exhausted. What? What? There are 15 VMs in your company's account. You can assign static IP to each. Man. Covers of soft limits of some of the resources prevent uncontrolled uses of. Oh, static IPs, yeah. You have to request to increase the limit. Costs money. Virtual private network. Hey, Jambo, do you ever drink coffee?
I do like me some coffee occasionally, but I can't drink it every day.
Yeah, I used to hate coffee. Many, many years.
You mean because I have an and sign, right? I'm just
What is it?
registering for something.
And sign?
You said alphanumeric, and I was really wondering why it wouldn't let me sign up, and then I realized I had an and sign in there. What's the word?
Ampersand?
Ampersand? Yeah.
Yeah.
Only reason I know that word is because of Dungeons and Dragons.
Yes.
The big dragon ampersand.
Yeah, even my wife worked at Starbucks, and I still hated coffee. I was like, can I have some hot chocolate? And they'd be like, what?
I gamble again? Maybe? Wait,
Oh, is it working?
I gotta try this. I created a new account, now I've gotta go see if I can gamble.
Needs to migrate on.
Oh, I don't have any money.
Get some money.
I don't have Bitcoin I can just shove into my account.
VPN tunnel. Oh, that's gotta be. Oh, what is this? Router. Yes.
Router.
Yeah.
Your danger, Will Robinson. Sorry.
Yeah, the original is really, really old.
Loved Lost in. Yeah, I used to watch that all the time.
The original one?
Yeah, it's the original one. Sucker
Wow.
for old.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, the old one's that the professor is the bad guy, but the new one, I don't even know what you want to call her. She's really,
I
really.
don't know. My friend Paul, we've been friends for a while. He watched the new one and has never seen the old one.
Oh, he
He
hasn't.
was like, "Oh my God, this is so good," and I'm like, "No. The old one was good."
Yeah, and there's like a medium movie, maybe like 20 years ago. It's pretty good.
He didn't even know where the danger. Oh my God, sometimes I don't like that
Danger
guy.
Will Robinson. Yeah, that's really old.
And he would like wave his arms around.
Isn't that like in the 60s or something? Like Star Trek?
50s, I think. 50s, I
50s?
think.
Wow,
It's
yeah.
Lost in Space. Lost in Space.
I went to Georgia
Oh.
Tech for a science fiction class, and we had to watch and read a lot of science fiction.
Oh, no, you were right. Lost in Space is an American science fiction television series created by Irwin Allen, which originally aired between 1965 and 1968.
Yeah, okay.
My grandmother was 2.
Cool.
It's funny.
Yeah, my dad's a big Trekkie. He loves all of them.
Choose the United States. Oh no. I can't gamble in America?
Where's your VPN going to another country?
VPN is going to Japan right now because it's unblocked in Japan. I don't know a Japan address that I can use, so I'm just
I think it goes to like Tokyo.
Japanese address. I'm just gonna use somebody's address.
Oh, you mean a house address?
Yeah.
Yeah, pick one in
They need me to
Tokyo.
input. They need me to put an address so that I can deposit.
Go in Akihabara. It's a good place. Akiba?
Hey, here's a miso teriyaki house that I can choose.
There you go. God, that sounds good.
I don't like
Oh, my wife's about to get some
Oriental food.
like sushi grade raw fish, and we're gonna make some sushi. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I don't like Oriental food.
Oh my god, it's gonna be good. And
Kind of sushi or rice
and
or
ikura, which is
chicken.
salmon roe.
Yeah. To
If you've had
everything you
really
just said.
good seafood, it's good. But I mean, I used to be the same. I used to be like, oh, that raw stuff's nasty and gross. But if you have really good stuff, it's, I don't know, it's amazing the difference. But I mean, like in Alabama, Georgia, and Tennessee, you know, it's like this area where people don't get seafood.
Yeah.
Especially not in Tennessee. That's like in the mountains. It's not worth it to bring seafood
In
there.
the mountains.
Probably the best food over there is
Yeah.
probably like barbecue in Tennessee, I think.
Yeah. Barbecue eaters. I have a pot roast slow cooking for 13 hours in there.
Right now?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I put it on last night, and it's gonna go until tonight.
Awesome, awesome.
So actually more like 24 hours. Not quite. 20. Well, it'll be good. It'll be nice and tender.
Nice. I'm just giggling about the tavern. Have you seen? I was like, I gotta study for a text. I just misspelled it.
Study for a text.
I meant a test.
Yeah.
One of my Among Us people. Yeah, I gotta stop playing Among Us. One night I stayed to like 2 a.m. I was like, I gotta stop. And the next time it was 1 p.m. I was like, or 1
I
a.m.
like that game. I just can't play it because I'm so bad at lying.
Oh, I'm bad at
Like-
lying too, but it's just the human interaction's the most fun of that game.
Yeah.
Some people are like, stop talking, let's play the game. I was like, what do you mean play the game? Like, do the tasks. I was like, you just want to
Shut
play
up
a
and do your
clicky game?
job,
This is not the
Jesus.
place.
Do your job.
Alright. Cube control run. I don't think there's an expose. I don't think there's such thing as expose. Uh-oh. Did I lose you again?
I'm back. Sorry.
Alright.
Whenever I turn on my VPN, I have to like do that. Anyways, next question. What you doing?
Wheel.
You're supposed to be
Lost
like
my connection here.
walking.
Cube
threw it to
control
help you
run.
out.
So this is Kubernetes. Actually, Google created Kubernetes. Real quick explanation is containers. It's a container.
Mm.
Oh my god, yeah, I didn't understand it either until containerization in cloud computing. It's huge. It's basically computers without an operating system.
All right.
Oh, here goes. You see on the left of a VM, a virtual machine, you have an operating system.
Yes.
So on the right, the container here, the operating system's with Docker or Kubernetes, and then the apps are just without it. It's... Oh wait, here you can see the guest OS, operating system. There's no
see.
operating system. This is huge. This is like the next technology. Everybody's using it now. Docker and Kubernetes. Okay. Back to this thing. Alright, which port? 8080? I think this one. Ah! It was expose. What is that? Expose.
Did you get it right or wrong?
Wrong. It's
Failure.
Cube control expose. Great. Cube control expose.
I really need to just delete this game and never play it again.
Which game is that?
League.
League of Legends?
Rocket League.
Oh, I was about to say League of Legends is very what's the word?
I just sink too much time into it.
Yeah, people say they make like New Year's resolutions. I just do it off the whim. If I get too obsessed with something, which happens way too often, I just cut it out of my life for a while.
I'll do that thing where, like, for some reason I just have to have every single hobby a human has ever had. Oh, somebody's collecting playing cards. That looks cool. I also need to collect playing cards.
Yeah.
Oh, somebody's playing Dungeons and Dragons. That's cool. I also need to do that. Rocket League? Why not? It's just like it gets to a point where I have way too many money
Hobbies.
sinks.
Oh yeah, money sinks are dangerous. I think a really good hobby to have is like archery or something physical that has a skill to it.
I just don't do physical things.
So it's expose. Take a replication controller, service, or pod and expose it to a new Kubernetes.
My main hobby is Magic the Gathering. That's what I spend the most on.
Oh, I need to play that again.
That's what I spend the most on is paper Magic.
Oh yeah, paper, that's right.
I mean, Arena's fun too. I don't play it nearly as much as I do paper though. Like I go every Friday night to the Blue Post and play Commander with some buddies.
Desire.
Which you could play paper Commander too if you had Spell Table.
Spend more money where
Fishing in the same hole. Wanna wear the same time. Go.
So there's this kind of there's this psychological concept. You spend a little bit of money on something, and it makes you want to spend a little more on it, and then like you get a little invested. Oh gosh, where's that called? Can't remember what that thing's called. Alright, I gotta keep like. Gotta keep blocking people. This is on YouTube, it looks like. Block user on YouTube. I keep popping up and putting like these 3-letter like URLs. As if somebody's gonna
abc.efg.
What is that called?
No distractions during test time.
Yeah, that too. Your client is planning to deploy an application on App Engine. Need 1 terabyte of data.
Good job, teammate. You just handed it to him.
Schemaless.
Jesus Christ.
What game are you playing now?
Rocket League.
I was like, you just handed it to him. I was like, what is that?
Oh my god. I've been getting into like blackjack and poker a lot more recently.
Okay.
Like learning how to count cards and that kind of stuff.
Well, that's cool. Just
Yep.
don't ever get caught counting cards or get in trouble.
No, you can't get in trouble for it. The most they can do is kick you out.
Yeah, yeah.
Which then you just go to the next casino and do it some more.
That's true.
I mean, some people make a whole like living out of it.
I wouldn't do that.
Now, explain, like, just walk me through the question. That way you can try and, like, see what makes the most sense. You know what I mean?
Well, you gotta know
Like,
what application or what Google
no.
product.
Just assume that I know everything and just start explaining.
I have no idea. Your client is planning to deploy an application to Google App Engine. So this is where you can make like web apps. And then you have a requirement to store a terabyte of data in schemaless. I've never even heard that word. I've heard serverless. Is schemaless even a word?
Well, they also said multiple server, so I mean, it could just be a grammar mistake.
So I typed in schemaless and it pops up MySQL and Postgres, so it's got to be SQL.
Oh, okay.
That's
yeah.
the only schemaless option. And it's data store. What? I don't...
Now,
It's
just
no
read
SQL.
why. Provides in no SQL.
Yeah, no SQL. This is non-relational. SQL is relational.
Hmm.
What?
Exactly. I knew that. Don't laugh at me.
MongoDB is schemaless.
Is it now?
So I guess schemaless means non-SQL. So, so schemaless is non-SQL and non-relational. Is what I'm getting.
Interesting. Should remember that for
Non-relational.
future reference.
Non-SQL databases are technically schemaless. I didn't even know that. It makes sense though. I don't even know if I need to mark it for review, but I'll just mark it for the fun of it. I can explain it.
Well, just like explain the question,
Yes,
walk
yeah.
through the answers, and see which one just sounds right.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't know.
Like, because have you heard of like the coding duck?
Yeah,
Like how
explain it.
coding students
Yeah, I'll
will,
walk you through it.
yeah.
But can you see this picture
I am the
here
rubber duck.
between
Can.
SQL and non-SQL?
Yeah.
So SQL is neat, like Excel columns and rows, but non-SQL is just data. Like they're saying schemaless, so that makes sense. I've heard relational, non-relational, schema, schemaless, now. SQL, non-SQL. Those are the ways people deal with data. I don't know if you understood that. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. So non-SQL is actually really popular now. Like, a lot of companies are taking non-SQL data, like gaming data, social data, and they're just compiling it and making lots of info out of it.
Yeah.
They're using it mainly for marketing. People use it for money. Getting your ads to your face to make you say like, "Oh, I want to buy more Magic cards or something."
There was a there's something on my bank statement every time that's like, here's what we do with your personal data. You can't stop it. We're just legally required to tell you.
Yep, you're screwed.
Yeah.
It's like everybody in the
I
world
mean,
attacks Facebook, but they're just
we-
one of many that
we
take your data.
get to have it. You just get to know. Like,
I saw this guy make a great TikTok. He was like shoving this cookie in this guy's face. Eat this cookie. Take the cookie. He's like, all right. He's like crying. He's like, can I go now?
accept all cookies.
Except all cookies. I don't want
Because
it.
that's what you do.
Yeah. But I mean, that's been the way.
That would make a good comedy video. Like somebody going on a website, clicking accept all cookies, and cute cookies just like spewing out of their computer. Like just chocolate chip cookies just start flooding out of their PC.
Yeah.
That would be a great video.
Yeah. So many jokes with cookies.
Me and some friends from school were thinking about making like a low budget movie, um, just for like fun,
Yeah,
and
do it.
we came up with the title The Tyrant and His Trebuchet, because everybody loves a good trebuchet.
All right, here I'm putting a GIF in Discord. You get a cookie. There's so many jokes about getting cookies. I don't know what I'm spacing out again. Okay, what can be the reason you created a snapshot schedule and attached it to a disk for automating backup for your VM?
I also posted a GIF in Discord.
Jiffy. And you're eating all the cookies. I love the Cookie Monster.
Yeah,
It's awesome.
I'm accepting all the cookies.
A few days later, when you were looking at the snapshots, you noticed that the snapshot size is different for each and every other snapshot. Huh.
Want to see a picture of my new desk setup?
What? No. What? Where do you? Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, show me. Where do you want to put it? Just like.
I was just gonna put it in. Is there still a pictures channel?
Yeah, there is. Let's go down to real life
pics. There it
pics.
is.
Yeah.
I've got to. It's really odd. Your server is so hard to find now because of the dark color, and I just kind of glance right over it.
What dark color?
Of like the server icon. It's just like black with good game in the middle.
Oh yeah, maybe I should go back to the old one. I did like the old one. I just liked this one. It was like.
Why does it say that you are not
It's
in the boss
nice.
anymore?
Oh, I was too busy, and we had too many like, I don't know, semi-hackers, just abrasive people over like the holidays.
The cable management's not great. I'll work on that, but it doesn't look horrible.
I think you have boot ability. Yeah, I think over Christmas I gave to Guardian.
I wonder if I can move people between voice channels yet.
You have like everything.
I don't understand why I wasn't able to do that.
I don't
Oh,
know.
weird.
Everything can be solved with Control R. I don't know.
9:53.
So let me explain this to you. Snapshots
Yep.
are a snapshot of a virtual machine. So it's like taking a
Yeah.
copy of a computer, and they're saying the snapshot size is different each and every time you take another snapshot. Why do you think that is? Do you think it's because it's incremental, it's going up because it's copying more, or is it...
Well, if it's copying more and not getting rid of the old, then of course it's going to go up. I mean, that's just common sense.
Well, it wouldn't take a copy of a copy. Why would it go up?
I'm not sure. What are the So wait, what is the question? The snapshot size is different for each and every snapshot.
yeah.
Why?
You're creating a snapshot schedule and attach it to a disk for automatic backup. Yeah, so I think this schedule may be too close together and there's some kind of error. So I'm just going to say D. Oh, and it was A. Oh my god, why?
You had it. You literally had it. Oh my god.
The second snapshot only changes blocks are copied because of each snapshot size is different. What? The second snapshot only changed blocks are copied. Oh, I get it. The first snapshot has everything. The second snapshot is not greater. It's just whatever's been
Well, did it
changed.
say greater? It just said different size each time.
Yeah, it says incremental / point in time copies. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I gotta review that again. Shoot my own foot. I'm gonna do that on the real test. I'm gonna fail it. I know it. I'm like sweating over here.
So what are you testing for?
Google Cloud.
Right. So that you can be a Google Cloud expert,
Correct.
and this will assist you.
Yeah, I use Google Cloud at work.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We actually use a
Good.
thing called Terraform.
Isn't that what you do whenever you change the way the Earth is?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
You're changing the earth. It's an open source infrastructure as code software.
Yes, exactly.
So
Look,
there's
man, I stopped learning things whenever we stopped coding together.
okay. I mean, we need to practice again. I don't know either. But Terraform goes with Google Cloud or AWS.
I still just want to make a Minecraft mod.
Okay. After I'm done with my test, I'll have a lot more free time. I should go back.
That was the goal. That was the goal all along.
I know, we need to do that. We've put it off for too long. That'll be my New Year's resolution. I don't have one, but really should do something like that.
What's your resolution? Oh wait, you don't have one. I
That's what I'm
see.
saying. It could be actually make a server in Java. A Minecraft server.
That'd be cool, because then we could run a Minecraft like SMP together.
That'd be so awesome.
A server's not hard to set up. I've set one up before.
Oh, okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. I got an extra computer around here somewhere. It's laying next to me.
Server is not intensive. A Minecraft server's not.
Yeah.
As long as it's not modded. I mean, if you want 700 mods on your server, then it's going to get slightly intensive. But I think your first issue will be getting Java Minecraft.
Oh yeah. Well, it'll be a good investment, at least for learning more Java. Because I get job applications, or people like trying to hire me. They're like, "Oh, we want a
Yeah.
senior Java engineer," and I'm like, I can't do that.
Oh.
Okay, a team of developers are working
I
on.
don't know. I keep telling myself that I want to be a neurologist, but
Do what you want to do.
Well,
Like,
it just seems like a lot of school.
it will
And
be.
I really
It'll
just
pay
don't
off.
know if it still interests me.
Oh yeah. Well, your interests will change every so often.
Right, but I don't want to have to go to a job, that I spent all this money and have like hundreds of thousands of dollars in school debt, and then I just don't enjoy going in. Like,
Oh yeah, that will put you in debt because it's very expensive.
yes, you gotta have like, what, 16 years of school? Maybe not quite that much, maybe like 10. Still quite a bit. I was thinking about joining the military to try and help pay for it, but it really just doesn't even pay for that much.
No, military is people who really have no other option. I was thinking about doing it too. I was trying to be an officer in the Navy, but they wouldn't accept me. No, seriously, they would put me in the bottom enlist ranks. So if you go
They
in,
just
go
not
as-
like you or something? Like,
there's a lot of reasons. They're really, really picky.
yeah.
Like 150 people applied when I did, and 15 were accepted. So it's like 10%.
Mm. Yeah.
But they have
My-
slots to
uh,
fill. It doesn't even matter how many people apply. They just have slots to fill.
One of my friends is gonna go into the USMC and try and be a raider.
Raider.
The only reason I would, they're like the SEALs of the Marine Corps.
Oh wow, that's intense.
Yeah, but he's definitely got the determination to do it. This kid is
Oh.
just something else.
Okay, yeah.
The only reason I would have done it was to help pay for school, but it just doesn't seem like it pays for that much.
No. Yeah, I was in the gym and this really big dude was like a doctor, and he said he got through his like basic nursing stuff through the military, but he said if you want to be a doctor, just go to school to be a doctor. You don't need to go to the military for anything.
Yeah.
And I was talking about coding, and he was like, if you want to get in coding, just do it. You don't need to go to the military to do it. But it's all about drive. It's about how much you want it.
Yeah. I mean, it's about drive. It's about power. We stay hungry. We devour.
What is that? I've heard that before.
You don't know what that is? That's when Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson decided he was going to be a rapper, and so put a rap verse onto a Tech Nine song. And it was the worst bar in the entire song.
Interesting.
And so now it's been memed 100 times. Is your stream... Oh no, my phone's just on 5%. Okay, your stream was so dark, and I was like, why? Oh yeah, my phone's low.
Oh no, we got snow on Sunday.
I want snow again. We got out for snow a while ago.
But it's not going to stop anything because Monday is even a day off. It's a
Yeah, I know
holiday.
Mondays, yeah. Yeah, it was really funny because our teacher said, my computer science teacher said, if we're out for snow, if we are out, he said he knows for a fact that it's going to snow on Sunday, so that if we're out Monday, or if we come to school Monday, he'll buy us donuts. And everyone was like, oh, okay, yeah, I see how it is, sir. You know, just he's having us build a game in Flow Labs right now. It's just so weird software. I'm gonna build a Fadian style game.
What?
Have you ever heard of the game Getting Over It?
No, never.
It's basically, if you've never played Getting Over It, you should. Anyways, you're basically in a cauldron with a sledgehammer.
Didn't
and
you
you're
tell me to
trying
play
get the-
Muck?
What?
Didn't you tell me to play Muck? M-U-C-K?
I did.
I
Yeah.
did. I made a video on it. It's
Did
so
you like
nuts.
it?
Yeah, I got on a Muck server and got with a bunch of people.
Yeah.
It was insane.
But anyways, the game Getting Over It, you are a man who's trapped in a cauldron with a sledgehammer, and you're trying to get to space. Don't worry about the lore, because there is none. But anyways,
He's in a cauldron.
anyways, the whole premise of the game is that it makes you want to throw your chair. Because the tiniest little mistake will send you all the way back to the bottom. Like, even if you're about to beat the game and you make one slip, you're all the way back down to the bottom. So I want to build a game in that fashion, where if you make one mistake, whoops, it's over for you, mate. So, that'll be interesting. If you've never played it, you should. I think it costs money, though, so...
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Aw. I would love to watch a stream where you threw your chair.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'll just do it for that. I'll do it one night. One night chair throwing event.
It's like the what is it, the pumpkin tossing in that one state, like where they'll just put them in catapults and launch them for absolutely no reason.
That's awesome.
You know, United States is weird.
Yeah, I love it. There's a Japanese group called IQ something, ITQ. They go places and do weird events like that all over the world. They quite often come to America and do our weird events.
No, I would hate to try and explain some American traditions to somebody who just knows nothing about it.
There was one
Like-
where there was like in Europe they were rolling cheese and then like all the guys would like roll down who gets down the fastest.
Yeah.
They like banned it because so many people got injured.
It's a big thing in Wisconsin. Like cheese
They do it there
racing,
too,
I
the
believe it's
cheese
called.
roll.
Yeah,
That is so dangerous.
you're trying to beat the cheese. You're trying to
so
beat the
dumb.
cheese to the bottom.
Try not to break a bone in the process. Stupid things men do.
Bones will heal. Not beating the cheese will not.
That's the
Not
slogan.
beating, not beating the cheese is forever. I was watching a poker vlog the other day, just trying to get a better feel for the game.
Yeah.
And then right below it was like a parody poker vlog titled like "What poker vlogs sound like to somebody who doesn't play poker.
Yeah.
And one of the things you say in poker is, if it's not in the same suit, you'll say offsuit. But sometimes people will just shorten it down to like ace deuce off. You know what I mean? So
Oh, yeah,
part
yeah,
of
yeah,
his
deuce
joke
off,
was
okay.
that he started the poker vlog and he was like, okay, we got a good seat here with Jack King off. And then he wins the pot and he's like, Jack King off has never paid me off so well.
That's funny.
Jack King off never felt so good.
Yep. That's real life. There we go.
We are humans. This is what we have, this is,
That's funny.
lovely.
We either do it alone or together.
No, if you score that, I will cry. I'm crying. These are tears.
Wait, what am I?
No, I'm just still playing Rocket League.
Oh, said if you score, I was like, if I get this question right, you're gonna cry.
No. What's the question? Explain it. You're not doing nearly
Suggest
enough
the step.
explaining.
Oh, I was just doing them quietly. Suggest the step
No.
that you missed performing after creating the backup schedule.
Yeah, so what did you forget? Because
Okay,
we
the
all know you
project
forgot
manager
something.
wants you to maintain persistent backup of your app commute instance on a daily basis with auto delete in 7 days.
Easy. Just do that.
Yeah, you gotta set it up. To make it hassle-free, you use Google Console for scheduling backups. The backup schedule daily backup was created successfully, but backup was not generated automatically. Huh? The backup
I agree.
schedule daily backup was created successfully, but backup was not generated automatically. I don't get that.
No,
So the
don't keep it up.
schedule was
Go.
done right, but it wasn't generated automatically.
I just want to hit Diamond 3 again. One.
Hit Diamond 3.
I'm so bad at this game.
That's what I always felt like about really competitive games. It's so addictive, but I'm just really bad at it. Created
That's
a-
why I don't play any kind of FPS game. Because
Oh,
I just
yeah,
know automatically that I'm bad at them. I don't know. Some people just have this innate ability to just be good at them.
You gotta be able to turn around and shoot.
Well, you just gotta have like really good game sense and good accuracy, and I just can't.
But in the long run, it really doesn't help anything.
I mean, if you go professional at it, then that's a career,
Well, yeah, it's a
right?
sport. It is definitely a sport. Just like basketball and any other sport.
Oh, yeah, that's another thing. Our coding teacher was the esports coach. So, no more esports for my school.
It sounds like you lost a really awesome person.
He was a really cool guy. He was just really fun to hang out with.
Cool.
Ex-prison guard, so he didn't put up with anybody's shit.
Wow.
He also ran the powerlifting team.
That sounds really busy. Maybe he was just like, I need some more free time. I'm quitting. Sounds like too
No,
much.
he just went to a different... he went to a higher paying job. I mean, I can understand it.
Okay.
If I had the option to go literally anywhere else in Elizabethton, I would.
Don't worry.
But
you'll get
nobody
out.
else wants to hire a 15-year-old.
You'll get out. You'll get out.
But in May, around when summer break starts, is when I can start working 40-hour work weeks.
That's cool.
Yeah, so I can work my life away, starting at the ripe old age of 16.
But you can't drink or smoke yet. Okay.
No, but I can gamble at 18, so I can be saving up from 16 all the way to 18, and then lose all my life savings.
Yeah, you put it all on the table and give it to
Yeah.
somebody and make him some
All in
money.
on red. All in on red.
And that one, it's not like it's like black and red. There's like this one white square. It lands on that one.
Oh, it's green. Yeah, the one green square.
The green one, yeah, that one. And you're like, I didn't expect that to happen.
Even worse when you choose like a specific number. Like you're like red 23 and then it lands on red 24. That's the worst.
I don't know. That game is.
I don't play roulette. I don't play roulette.
That's meant for the house to win.
Yeah, I mean all games are meant for the house to win. I don't think there's a single casino game where they expect or they like want you to win.
Yeah, that's why even the colors are
That's what-
50-50.
That's what makes blackjack better is because you can get the edge on that. Like with card counting and keeping a running count, you can have like up to a 5% edge on the casino, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. Because if you have a $5,000 bankroll, then you can make about what is it, $25 an hour, I think, on average. Over the course of a blackjack day.
Or if
And then if you, of course, if it's even larger, you can make a lot more. Like $50,000 is about like what,
Dang.
$100? $100 an hour, something like that.
And then there's the times when you can actually lose.
Right, but if you're a good card counter, then you're never going to stay in the hole because you're mathematically guaranteed to win.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. But then with the chaos theory, there are instances where you lose.
I mean, of course, you're going to have an off day or a great day, but over the course of like 100 hours of blackjack, it all evens out to around $100 an hour.
The statistics of it, yeah, for
It's not
100
like you're
people.
actually making $100 an hour. It's just on average throughout these 100 hours. That's
But with that theory, with 100 people, 100 mathematicians, one of them's going to really lose.
You have if you're like at a true count 6, you have a 5% edge on the casino. So 55 out of 100 times you're going to win, which overall will give you. Plus another way that card counters make more money is they place more bets whenever they have the advantage. So you're winning more whenever you have the advantage and losing less when you don't. If you're at a true count -1 and the house has the advantage, then you'll bet the table minimum, say like $5. But when you're at a true count 6 and you're almost guaranteed to have the next hand, that's when you bet like, 25 or 50. So you'll win more than you lose. I don't know. I was reading about some teams like the MIT team and stuff who have went over millions of dollars just because they had a whole like organization doing it.
But then they go in the parking lot and they get beat up.
No, I mean, because then you can just sue I mean, there's nothing they can. It's not illegal.
Yeah, that's true.
The casinos actually took it to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said, well, they have the same information that's technically available to everyone else, so it's not cheating.
Yes, that's correct.
They're not using any like outside information.
But for the casino, it's at least, they tried to get their money back. Legally.
Which a lot
instead beating
of
them up.
casinos are doing things to counteract this. Like they'll use what's called a CSM, a continuous shuffle machine, which is as soon as you're done with that hand of cards, you'll put it into a shuffle machine and it'll automatically go back into the shoe. So there's no way for you to count it.
Good. Good.
No, not good.
Casinos
I
don't
want
win.
to take money from casinos. Like they're literally I don't know. It's just casinos are bad people.
Yeah, I don't play.
Which is Tennessee has exactly 0 casinos in the entire state.
Good. Casinos are
No,
good.
because that means that if I want to count cards and win money, I have to go 2.5 hours away to North Carolina.
Yeah, don't waste
Which
your
makes
time.
me sad. No, I'm going to waste my time because I know I can make money off of it.
Alright. Just don't get beat up in the parking lot.
The most they can do is ask me to go away. I'll just wear a body cam so that if I get beat up, I can just, Quarter 4. It's 10:15.
Yeah, I gotta go soon. Edit VM instance. Go to snapshot schedule. Select existing snapshot. Add snapshot. I don't know. Select existing snapshot and add daily backup schedule.
Why is my teammate all the way back there, bro?
Go to snapshot schedule. It's gotta be like something like this. There's snapshot schedule here. Create machine image. I think that's what it is. Create machine image. Dun, 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 dun. There's a schedule in here.
Oh my god, another overtime game.
Machine image.
Oh my god, I freaking hate this game.
Did they just score something?
0-second goal. There was no time left on the clock, and they scored.
That's fine.
This makes me quite angry.
It's just a game. I see people raging in Among Us, and I'm just like, that's the point of the game. People kill each other.
If my teammate wasn't so incompetent.
Yeah.
God.
Shit happens. Minecraft.
Yeah, you should get a Minecraft server up and running so that we can play Minecraft.
Okay. That's good. How do I do the images? Oh, there's snapshots. Finally, I found it. I got create snapshot schedule. Schedule. I love the way the British people say it. Scheduler schedule. Keep snapshots, delete snapshots. Cool. It's not daily backup to enable. Is there a daily backup? Daily. Oh, there is. Backup schedule was created so the backup was not generated. For that instance, did I like pick an instance? Schedule.
Rainbow. Fish in the same hole.
Description.
Wonder where the same time goes. I am the guardian.
I guess it's a central one. After you delete that. Delete. Enable. Add label. Create. Let's see if this works. Create a snapshot. Source. Hey, I want to make a snapshot of your VM. Here we go.
Yeah. Alexa, stop.
What?
God dang, she had the same god dang song on repeat for the past hour and a half. Jesus Christ.
Hey, ironically, your VM was in US West 4, which is Las Vegas. Speaking of gambling, right? Let me see this.
Nice.
Is it really? Why is it taking so long? Oh, it is. I didn't even mean to do that. That's funny.
It's funny.
I stopped the other one. It's creating a snapshot
See,
right
it's
now.
a sign. It's a sign. They want me to go there.
Go to Las Vegas. Give all your money
Go
to
to
Trump.
Las-
Add snapshot
No, I would
schedule.
be taking money from the big bad casinos.
Yeah, definitely take it from Trump.
Why?
Add snapshot schedule.
What did he do? He's not even president anymore.
He's still, his presence is here.
I don't think we need to get into politics. That's how most of my friendships end.
Are you serious? Your friendships
Yes,
end
I'm
with
serious.
politics? It's like, I don't like your
People-
politician. I don't like you anymore.
People just don't want.
I love Biden. I don't like Biden. I hate you now.
I don't know. I just
I liked Bernie. You liked Bernie. I hate you now.
well, because we can get into some heated debates about what policies are right and what policies are wrong, and no, I do not like you, Sleepy Joe.
Who's Sleepy Joe?
Sleepy Joe Biden.
Sleepy?
Yeah. It's his nickname is Sleepy Joe Biden.
Really?
Yeah.
Sleepy Joe. Sleepy Joe. There's like a lot of Sleepy Joes.
Let's go, Brandon. Have you
What?
seen that? Have you
No,
not heard of the Let's Go Brandon thing? Or have you?
Trump mocks Sleepy Joe. This is an actual video.
Have you heard of the Let's Go Brandon thing?
No.
So basically, at almost every sporting event, like every football game and NASCAR game, people would just start the game by chanting "Fuck Joe Biden," and so there was a NASCAR game, and this kid named Brandon won, and so everybody cheered for him, and then just started chanting "Fuck Joe Biden," and this there was a liberal news reporter who just started saying, you can hear all the people in the background chanting, "Let's go Brandon." So people started adopting "Let's go Brandon" as the second way to say "fuck Joe Biden." And so he was doing like a thing where citizens could call in and ask him questions on like Christmas and New Year. So somebody called in and was like, "Merry Christmas, let's go Brandon." And he was like, "Yeah, let's go Brandon." Yeah, it was just really funny. But that's basically what that means.
Yeah. Politics.
I don't know. I saw a Cat in the Hat Sleepy Joe mug.
Sleepy
And,
Joe. I just Google searched Sleepy Joe and it came up with like a bunch of random stuff like Sleepy Joe weed strain.
Let's go, Brandon. I do not like your mental haze. I do not like your leftist ways. I do not like your sun on blow. I do not like you, Sleepy Joe.
Wow. Turned into like a Seuss.
Yeah. And people have been putting it on
Not
coffee
like eggs
mugs
and
and
green eggs
selling
and
it.
ham. Well, have you tried them? I gotta go.
Yeah, somebody put that on Twitter, and then people started putting it on shirts, and no. My family is quite conservative.
Oh yeah. My whole family is too.
My cousin was opening Christmas presents, and he got a "Let's Go Brandon" T-shirt, and he wears that thing everywhere.
Oh my god.
It's really funny.
I saw a sign in front of someone's house nearby. It's like Trump 2020 or something. Still, even today. I'm like,
I'm
over
trying.
it. Take down the sign.
This was the shirt. This was the shirt that he got, and he's been going insane. I'm gonna post it in pics. This was like his favorite Christmas present, and he wears this shirt everywhere.
Well, all I was gonna say is, if you go to Las Vegas and you're gonna destroy a casino, destroy Trump's.
I don't know. I'll probably get, on average, you get kicked out of a casino once every 8 hours as a card counter, so I'll probably go to Mini.
I would spend money to see you steal money from the Trump one.
I don't care whose casino it is, as long as I'm making money.
Pyramid. Oh, I gotta go. Later,
Okay.
man.